Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to permanently disable Windows 11 firewall. For this, first click on this one start button, then click settings. In the settings window, click this one privacy and security. On the right, click on this one Windows security option under security section. Then click on this one open Windows security button. This will open Windows security window. On the right side of this one home option, you will find firewall and network protection. Click on this one. Here under public network, you will see active option and you will see firewall is on. Click on this one public network. Under Microsoft Defender firewall, you will see a toggle switch. Just click on this one to turn it off. In case Windows prompts, click yes. This will permanently turn off your Windows firewall. In case you are not using any third-party firewall, after performing the certain task, you should enable this one toggle switch to protect your computer from viruses and threats.